As we age, it feels like our muscles slowly disappear, doesn't it? That tightness and strength we used to feel in our arms and legs, gradually giving way to weakness. This isn't just a part of getting older, it's a real condition called sarcopenia, and it can rob us of our independence. But what if I told you that with the right foods, we can fight back? In this video, I'll share 5 essential foods that can help defeat muscle loss, restore your strength, and keep you moving the way you deserve. Let's start the journey to stronger, healthier muscles together. Sarcopenia, or muscle loss due to aging, is something most seniors face, but it doesn't have to be the end of the road. You may feel it creeping in difficulty standing up from a chair, climbing stairs with less ease, or even experiencing more aches and pains in your joints. This video will show you exactly what to eat to protect your muscles and get back that energy and vitality you've been missing. Salmon. The muscle repair. Powerhouse sarcopenia is a real concern for many seniors, but there are ways to combat it. One powerful food to include in your diet is salmon. If you're not already eating it regularly, now is the perfect time to start. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve muscle health. As we get older, inflammation increases in our body, often leading to joint pain, stiffness, and a slower recovery time for our muscles. This is where salmon's omega-3s come into play. They act as natural anti-inflammatory agents, helping to reduce muscle soreness, improve joint function, and accelerate recovery. This means you'll not only feel better, but you'll also recover faster after any activity, whether it's a light walk or a more strenuous exercise. The benefits of salmon don't stop at omega-3s. Protein is another crucial component that salmon provides in abundance. High-quality protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and salmon delivers it in a form that's easy for your body to absorb and use. As we age, our muscles lose their ability to hold on to protein as efficiently as they once did, which is why it's even more important to prioritize high-protein foods like salmon. It helps maintain and rebuild muscle mass, keeping your body strong and functional as you grow older. But the magic of salmon isn't just in its protein content. This fish also contains vitamin D, which plays a critical role in maintaining bone density and supporting muscle function. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, which strengthens bones, and it also contributes to muscle contraction and function. Without enough vitamin D, muscle weakness and even falls become more likely, and that's the last thing we want as we age. What's even better about salmon is how easy it is to incorporate into your diet. Whether you prefer it grilled, baked, or even as part of a delicious salad or sandwich, you can enjoy its benefits without much effort. A key tip: aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon per week. This will ensure you're getting a good dose of omega-3s, protein, and vitamin D. And when you choose wild-caught salmon over farmed, you're also avoiding harmful chemicals and getting a cleaner, more nutritious option. To sum it up, salmon isn't just a tasty addition to your meals. It's a powerhouse that fights inflammation, supports muscle growth, and protects your bones. Eating this nutrient-packed fish regularly is one of the best ways to fight sarcopenia and keep your muscles strong, even as you age. Eggs, your protein. Partner when it comes to building and maintaining muscle, protein is absolutely essential. And for seniors looking to fight off sarcopenia, there's one food that stands out as a top choice: eggs. Eggs are often referred to as the perfect protein, and for good reason. Each egg contains a complete set of essential amino acids, the building blocks that your body needs to repair and build muscle. These amino acids are particularly important as we age because our body becomes less efficient at using protein, making it crucial to get high-quality sources. Eggs are not only rich in protein, but they also provide a good balance of fat and nutrients, making them an excellent all-around food for muscle preservation. One of the reasons eggs are so beneficial for seniors is because of their bioavailability. This means your body can absorb and use the protein in eggs more effectively than in many other sources. When you eat an egg, your body immediately gets the amino acids it needs to repair muscle tissue and maintain muscle strength. For seniors, this means eggs help to slow down the muscle loss that often happens after 50. Incorporating them into your meals regularly ensures that your body has the resources it needs to keep those muscles active and strong. But protein alone isn't enough to keep muscles healthy. Eggs also provide a significant amount of vitamin D, which is vital for both muscle and bone health. Vitamin D helps your muscles function properly and supports bone density, which can decline as we get older. When paired with calcium, vitamin D helps your body keep bones strong and resilient, crucial for seniors who are at higher risk of fractures and falls. In addition to protein and vitamin D, eggs are also a great source of choline, a nutrient that supports brain health and muscle function. Choline is involved in the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a role in muscle contractions. By maintaining adequate levels of choline, you can support muscle strength and coordination, which is especially important as you get older. The versatility of eggs makes them an easy food to add to any meal. Whether you like them scrambled, poached, boiled, or in an omelet with vegetables, eggs can be a part of breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They're a quick and affordable way to boost your protein intake, making them ideal for seniors who want to stay strong without complicated meal prep. For seniors, it's important to aim for at least 1 to 2 eggs a day. Whether you're having eggs for breakfast or adding them to a salad or soup, this small change can help maintain your muscle mass and keep your body functioning at its best. If you're concerned about cholesterol, rest assured that most research shows that moderate egg consumption doesn't negatively affect heart health for the majority of people. However, if you have specific health conditions, it's always wise to consult your doctor about the best dietary choices for you. In summary, eggs are a powerhouse when it comes to building and preserving muscle. Packed with protein, vitamin D, and other essential nutrients, they offer a simple and effective way to fight muscle loss and keep you feeling strong. Incorporating eggs into your daily meals can give you the muscle support you need to stay active and independent as you age. Greek yogurt, the calcium and protein boost. When it comes to maintaining muscle mass and supporting bone health as we age, Greek yogurt is one of the best foods you can add to your diet. It's not just a tasty treat, but a powerful, nutrient-dense food that provides multiple benefits for seniors. If you're looking to keep your muscles strong and your bones healthy, Greek yogurt can help you do both. One of the biggest advantages of Greek yogurt is its high protein content. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and as we age, our body's ability to retain and utilize protein diminishes. Greek yogurt is rich in casein protein, which is a slow-digesting protein that provides your muscles with a steady stream of amino acids throughout the day. This is especially important for seniors, as it helps maintain muscle mass and prevent muscle loss due to sarcopenia. By incorporating Greek yogurt into your meals, you're giving your body a reliable, continuous source of protein to support muscle maintenance and repair. In addition to protein, Greek yogurt is an excellent source of calcium, which is vital for bone health. As we age, our bones become more fragile, and calcium plays a key role in strengthening them. When paired with vitamin D, calcium helps increase bone density and reduces the risk of fractures. If you've noticed that you're feeling more stiff or have difficulty with balance, your bones may be weakening. Greek yogurt can help restore some of that strength by delivering a high dose of calcium to support your bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Greek yogurt is also packed with probiotics, the good bacteria that promote digestive health. These probiotics not only support a healthy gut, but they can also improve nutrient absorption, which is essential as you age. A healthy gut means your body can better absorb the nutrients from your food like calcium and protein that are critical for muscle and bone health. It's a win-win. The benefits of Greek yogurt don't stop there. It's also low in sugar, especially when compared to traditional yogurt, making it a healthier option. This is important for seniors who may need to watch their sugar intake, as high sugar consumption can lead to weight gain and other health issues, which can make it harder to maintain a healthy lifestyle. You can easily incorporate Greek yogurt into your daily routine. Whether you enjoy it as a morning snack, a topping for your oatmeal, or mixed with some fresh fruit, Greek yogurt is versatile and simple to add to your diet. Opt for plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars and flavor it naturally with honey or fresh berries. For seniors, aiming for 1-2 servings of Greek yogurt a day can provide the right balance of protein, calcium, and probiotics to support muscle and bone health. If you're lactose intolerant, there are lactose-free options available that still offer the same nutritional benefits. To sum it up, Greek yogurt is more than just a delicious snack. It's a powerhouse for seniors looking to maintain strong muscles and healthy bones. With its high protein, calcium, and probiotic content, Greek yogurt is an essential food that helps combat sarcopenia, supports your bone density, and keeps you feeling vibrant and healthy. Spinach, a green miracle for muscles. When it comes to building strength and maintaining muscle, spinach might not be the first food that comes to mind, but it should be. This leafy green vegetable is a true powerhouse when it comes to supporting muscle function, bone health, and overall vitality. For seniors looking to fight off sarcopenia, spinach is a must-have addition to your diet. Spinach is loaded with iron, an essential mineral that plays a key role in the production of red blood cells. These cells are responsible for carrying oxygen to your muscles, and without enough oxygen, muscles can't function at their best. As we age, our bodies can become more prone to anemia, a condition where you don't have enough red blood cells. This leads to fatigue, weakness, and difficulty maintaining muscle strength. The high iron content in spinach helps prevent this by supporting healthy red blood cell production, ensuring your muscles get the oxygen they need to stay strong and active. In addition to iron, spinach is packed with magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in muscle function. Magnesium helps muscles relax after contraction, which reduces muscle cramps and soreness. For seniors, magnesium is crucial for preventing those nighttime leg cramps that can disturb your sleep and cause unnecessary pain. By including spinach in your diet, you're giving your body a natural source of magnesium that can help keep your muscles relaxed, reducing discomfort, and improving your overall muscle function. Spinach is also rich in vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. As we age, our bones lose density and become more susceptible to fractures. Vitamin K helps maintain strong bones by supporting calcium absorption and bone mineralization. This is especially important for seniors who are at a higher risk of osteoporosis. In addition, spinach contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports tissue repair and boosts the immune system, which helps with overall muscle recovery and strength. Another benefit of spinach is its high content of plant-based nitrates, which have been shown to improve muscle function and endurance. Nitrates help increase blood flow, which means your muscles get more oxygen and nutrients during physical activity. This leads to better muscle performance and faster recovery, both of which are essential as we age and begin to experience muscle loss. By including spinach in your meals, you're helping your muscles perform better, whether you're walking, exercising, or simply going about your daily tasks. Spinach is also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it in salads, soups, smoothies, or sautéed as a side dish. Adding spinach to your meals is an easy way to boost your nutrient intake without any extra effort. Fresh or frozen, spinach retains most of its nutrients, so you can choose whichever form is most convenient for you. For seniors, incorporating spinach into your diet a few times a week is a simple way to support muscle health, boost energy levels, and keep your bones strong. Whether you're enjoying it raw in a salad or cooked in a dish, spinach offers a wide range of nutrients that work together to help fight muscle loss and keep you feeling strong. In conclusion, spinach is a powerful food that provides essential nutrients to help maintain muscle strength and function. With its high iron, magnesium, and vitamin content, spinach is a natural way to support muscle health and bone density, making it an essential addition to any diet focused on fighting sarcopenia. Nuts, the crunchy muscle builders. When you think of foods that promote muscle health, nuts might not immediately come to mind, but they should. These little powerhouses are packed with essential nutrients that can help protect against muscle loss, support your bones, and keep you feeling strong and energetic as you age. Nuts are an excellent addition to any diet, especially for seniors looking to prevent sarcopenia. Nuts are an outstanding source of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and essential for muscle function. These fats provide energy, support cell repair, and help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is one of the leading causes of muscle breakdown and joint pain, both of which can become more prevalent as we age. By including nuts in your diet, you help fight inflammation, reduce muscle pain, and support muscle recovery. Additionally, nuts are rich in protein, which is the building block of muscles. As we get older, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing and using protein, making it harder to maintain muscle mass. The protein found in nuts is plant-based, which can complement other protein sources in your diet, offering a healthy, natural way to support muscle repair and growth. For seniors, consuming a variety of protein sources, including nuts, ensures your body is getting the essential amino acids needed to fight muscle loss. One of the key benefits of nuts is their magnesium content. Magnesium is a mineral that helps muscles function properly by supporting the process of muscle contraction and relaxation. Magnesium deficiency can lead to muscle cramps, spasms, and weakness. This is particularly problematic for seniors who may already be dealing with muscle discomfort or weakness. By eating a handful of nuts every day, you're providing your muscles with magnesium to help reduce cramps and support overall muscle health. Nuts also provide a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, zinc, and folate, all of which contribute to muscle repair and immune function. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect muscle cells from oxidative stress and damage. Zinc is crucial for protein synthesis and helps the body build muscle tissue. Folate supports the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to the muscles, allowing them to perform optimally. Among the best nuts for seniors are almonds, walnuts, cashews, and pistachios, each of which offers unique benefits. Walnuts, for example, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Almonds, on the other hand, are packed with vitamin E and magnesium, making them an excellent choice for muscle and bone health. Cashews are a great source of zinc and copper, both of which help with muscle repair and function. Pistachios contain a combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, offering a balanced snack that supports energy and muscle maintenance. Nuts are incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. A small handful of mixed nuts makes for a perfect snack, or you can sprinkle them on top of salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. Since they're calorie-dense, portion control is key, but just a small amount each day can provide a big boost to your muscle and overall health. For seniors, eating nuts regularly can help fight muscle loss and support both muscle and bone health. A handful of nuts a day, combined with other nutrient-dense foods, can keep your muscles strong, reduce inflammation, and enhance recovery. In conclusion, nuts are an excellent nutrient-dense snack that can play a big role in preventing sarcopenia. Packed with healthy fats, protein, magnesium, and a variety of essential vitamins and minerals, nuts are a simple, effective way to support muscle function and keep you feeling strong and vibrant as you age. If you're ready to take control of your health and say goodbye to muscle loss, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the foods that have helped you stay strong.